Let's make some quick and easy spicy baked chicken wings today. For the dry rub, in a little mixing bowl, let's add black pepper, salt, paprika, cayenne, and baking powder. Mix this well and set aside. Pat the chicken wings nice and dry and add the rub. Massage this well into the dry wings. Now drizzle some oil on this one and add some more dry rub and massage it well. Now this is ready to go into the grill. Let's preheat the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use a wire rack. I don't have one, so I'm just using cooking spray on a regular baking sheet. Arrange the wings and put them in the oven. Bake them for about 25 minutes on the middle rack. Remove it, flip the wings and bake them again for another 25 minutes. Let's make our spicy sauce. For this, let's take chili garlic paste, vinegar, sriracha sauce, and some honey. Mix this well and set aside. Remove the baked wings from the oven. Brush it generously with the spicy sauce on both sides. Pop that back in the oven and broil it on high for about 2 to 3 minutes on the top rack. Arrange the cooked wings on a serving platter and brush them generously with the remaining sauce. And there you have it. Crispy, spicy, mouth-watering wings are ready. Serve it hot. Enjoy!